I had some condensation on my lens. There's one of the little campsites around the circle. Pretty typical. There's the group pavilion. I did pass looked like a shower house, bathroom on the way in. They said they have laundry facilities here somewhere. Maybe they're in the shower house. Let's do a loop around here. There's some building over there. So that might be a bathroom or a shower house or something. So that's nice. You got one right in the group camp. Yeah, that's a bathroom. And the group camp seems to be, let's see, there's a fire pit next to the pavilion with a bench next to it. Big old grill, some more benches and a trash can. Looks like, let's see, a hook for hanging stuff. I don't know what you'd hang up there, maybe a water bag. I don't see the lake, so this just appears to just be straight up in the middle of the woods. It's like lots of tent sites around. Oh, so this is bigger than a loop. Let's see, there's something back here too. Go check this out. They're basically the stone, outdoor table with stone benches. Plenty of space for parking. See too many people back here yet. There's looks like another building over there. Might be another bathroom. That might be the bathroom I passed on the way in. There's somebody tent camping over there. I'm not seeing any RVs yet. This is do you see lots of those tires with the hook poles in them? Hanging your stuff up. There's looks like another bathroom, shower house. Plenty of facilities. It's starting to rain on me. I think that was it then. Yep, I think I just did the loop. There's some trash cans. Alright, thanks y'all.